and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we are going to talk about one of my favorite things ever to finish off any makeup look, eyelashes. But we're not talking any eyelashes, we're talking magnetic eyelashes. So I've never tried these before. I have gotten so many requests though for people asking about magnetic lashes, and I've wanted to do it for so long. I just didn't think that the product was there, like the quality of it. I just thought they were so new and they were just charging so much money. And also the lashes weren't like lashes that I would wear. They were doing like the little half sets, and I'm like, I'm not really into that. So they finally came out with full sets of lashes, which makes me so excited. But again, they were a little pricey and you kind of had to go online to order them. And sometimes I just feel like I don't want to be the first to try something because the quality is probably not there yet, or you're probably getting ripped off. And so when I was at CVS today picking up my favorite 600 Ardell Wispies, I looked over and I was like, what are those? And it was magnetic lashes. And I was like, there we go. I can buy them in the stores now. I feel like they've gone through all the changes they need to go through and now they're ready for me. So even though I know I prefer full lashes, I still got the half lashes too because I kind of just want to test them out and see how they look. I would love to have a pair of lashes that I could, throw on and go to the gym. Or when I go to run errands and I do my workout makeup, can I just throw some eyelashes on and I don't have to really worry about it? I'm kind of interested to see how it goes. So I have my makeup fully done, but I want to try these lashes two ways. I want to try them without mascara and then with mascara and see which I like better, see what I can get away with, see if you even need mascara or if you don't. So let's just play. So let's start with the little halfers here, the accents they call them. And I've never done these before, so we're going to do it together for the first time. I kind of have a general idea of what to do. I've seen other people do it. So you're just supposed to take the upper lash and place it on top. And it's supposed to be able to just sit there. Now, obviously you can't move around a whole lot, but you do want it to just sit there. And then you take the bottom half. Woo! Okay. First go. That magnetic pulse is so strong I could feel it. As I brought it up, it pulled it out and to this point on my lash. So let's do that again. Okay. They come apart relatively easy. Just slid them apart there. I think I have to go faster. Whoa! What? That was crazy. It felt crazy. That is on there. That's pretty cool. I feel like it feels thicker than normal, but I only think that's because it's underneath now. Like normally the lashes are just on top of your own lashes, so it does feel a little bit thicker. I think I'm gonna have to get used to that. But I mean, I think that looks pretty good as of right now, and this is just the halfers. This is just the accents. Let's do the other side. Okay, round number 2 on that one too. I almost got that one. It's just a little too far this way on this side. Round number 3. Feels so serious. It's not as close to the lash line as I want it. Let's do it again. I wonder if I had mascara on, if it would help hold the lashes down a little bit more. But again, it's like anything I talk about, I always say, practice makes perfect, and I've never done this before. So, this is me practicing. This is what you've got to do. Even with other normal lashes that you use with glue, you have to practice. There we go. There we go. Okay, so, I like that. I think that looks really pretty. I like it a lot. Now, I definitely have a going out makeup look on right now. I would definitely add mascara. But I don't want to add mascara while the lashes are on because I don't want to ruin the lashes. So I think I will add mascara before and then put the lashes on. So we'll try that. But I want to try the other lashes without mascara first. So let's do that. But I feel like these look really good, right? I actually like the accents way more than I thought I would. Now let's try the full lashes. Boop. They came off that easy. All right, placing the first one on top. It does feel crazy when they just pop together. That one didn't go good the first time because it's not connected close to my eye here or here. I'm sure you can see that. So let's do it again. Now, when we're talking about normal lashes, I always say how, when you first get them off the package, they're not fit for your eye. So the second or third time you use them, they're going to be a lot easier to put on. Again, that's kind of the same thing here is that, this hasn't been on my eye before. So it's not going to really curve in where it needs to on my eyes. I also might need to use 2 hands, and right now I'm holding a mirror, so that might be what's making it difficult with these full ones. That one didn't work. Okay, I think I need to use 2 hands with these. Okay, so I stepped away for a second so I could use both hands and look really, really close into a mirror, and I still didn't get it all the way. These are so hard. So if you think you have trouble with lashes with glue, these are pretty crazy, and I kind of know what I'm doing with lashes. The thing is that I don't have a lot of lashes on the inside right here. It doesn't really have anything to grip around per se, and then the lashes are so long that it's hard to get them to go far back as you need them to into their little pocket where your eyelashes go. I feel like this actually really needs mascara to help it go on. We're gonna add mascara because I want to add mascara to the other look anyways. So let's just do it. This feels so weird. I don't do my mascara anymore without lashes on, so this is kind of crazy. Okay, mascara is on. I'm just gonna let it dry just a little bit so that I don't get any mascara onto my nice new magnetic lashes. Okay, so I can already tell they're going on better. It's like if I get one side close, the other one pops up. It's, again, probably because they're not fit to my eye yet. Let's see if we can do it. I don't know why I think whispering helps. I feel like this is a very touchy, serious business right now. Let's try that again. Okay, I got this. I got this. I'm gonna try bending these lashes in just a little bit. Okay, we gotta be quick. I'm gonna open my eye really big and just go. Did I do it? Did I do it? I don't know why I feel like I can't move my lips. The outside's where I'd like it. The inside, however, is like not as far in as I would like it. Okay, one more time. It's funny, in my head I'm saying, I wish there was something that I could like make it stick at each corner. And yeah, glue for lashes. That's why we glue our lashes on. Okay, you know what I mean? It's like, do we need to reinvent the wheel? I don't know. I don't know if this is easier. Now I got the inside, but not the outside. Oh my gosh, so difficult. Okay, let me try using 2 hands. I'll be right back. Whew, okay, I used 2 hands. 2 hands is necessary. So hard to do with 1 hand. I'm gonna have to make like a totally another class on how to actually put these bad boys on. Again, they feel a little bit thicker, so let's put the other one on. Okay, after 2 tries, I was able to get this one on. I think I've kind of come up with like a system on how to do it. It involves putting your hands in opposite ways and sides, so I think I'm gonna have to go into that in a whole different class, but I did get them on. What do you think? Do you like them? I mean, I like them. I think that they are heavier than what I normally wear. I think my other ones are a little bit more open. Maybe you can see my eyeshadow through them like a little bit more. But in general, I really do like them. They're just different. They're more full, right? They're more full. So what do you like better? Do you like these better or the ones that I normally wear better? Let me know in the comments below. I really would like to know. I do think they look good. They just feel a little bit more heavy. And when I blink, like I feel like I can feel them, but maybe I just have to get used to them, you know, just like with anything. When you first wear eyelashes with glue for the first time, most people go, oh my gosh, I could feel it. But then 10 minutes later, they're like, I don't even know I have them on. Maybe this will be the same thing. So you definitely need to wear mascara. It helps put them on, but who knows, maybe after, you know, a couple weeks of wearing these, like maybe they'll actually form to my eye. So putting them on is going to be easier. That's something I'm going to have to discover, and I'll let you know in a later class, like a little magnetic eyelash update. I don't hate them. I just feel like they're kind of difficult to work with, at least these full ones. If you're not good at putting on eyelashes with glue, like I feel like this is 10 times harder than that. So I feel like they kind of advertise to people who are like, oh, it's gonna be so easy, you just magnet and boom. It kind of takes a little bit of work. So I feel like if you have trouble with the lashes with glue, like this is gonna cause you a lot of trouble too. It's like not as easy as they make it seem. It's not effortless, let me just say that. So let's try the shorter ones on real quick because I just want to see how they look now that I've added mascara. I can tell I like them better already with the added mascara. Look at me getting the hang of it. These halfies are definitely a lot easier to use, just FYI. Oh my gosh, those ones are so much easier. And they are really pretty, obviously with added mascara, because otherwise it just looks like they stop right there, because I don't really have a whole lot of eyelashes that are inside, and the eyelashes that I do have are kind of light in color, so they don't really like stand out that much. So I definitely needed the added mascara. Also, adding the mascara helped, you know, the top eyelash stay where it needed to stay, so I was able to put the other one under more easily. I wonder if the more I use them, the more they will just form to my eye and become easier to put on, just like normal eyelashes with glue. How do you guys like these ones compared to the other ones, the full ones? Do you like these ones better than the full ones? Do you like these ones better than the normal eyelashes I wear? Like, what do you like better? That's what I'm trying to get at. What do you like out of all the stuff I've shown you? These 2 new ones today, and just what I like to wear in general normally. Which ones are you liking better? I don't know. These are very pretty. These remind me of my number 102, Subtle Glamour, the ones that I use on all my brides and just pretty much all my clients, because I feel like the number 102s just look good on everyone. So I feel like this reminds me of those. So they're super pretty. They feel lighter. Now that I have these on compared to those, those, I'm like, I don't even feel these at all. Before, when I first put them on, I was like, ooh, they kind of feel a little heavy. Psh, they feel like nothing compared to those. I'm really excited I tried them though. Like, they're really fun. They're exciting. I just hope that it becomes faster, because right now this was not faster than putting on my normal lashes for me anyways. I'm just really good at putting on lashes. I can do it in like a minute for each one, and this, I mean, especially for those big ones, I don't know. How long was I trying to put them on? I feel like a really long time, way longer than it takes me to do my eyelashes normally. I mean, they are super fun. I do really like the way these look. I don't know. I can't give you a definitive answer of whether you should get them or not just because I haven't played with them enough. So hopefully this has given you a little bit of insight into magnetic lashes anyways. And maybe, hey, maybe you do want to try them. But at least you know that, you know, the full strip, super hard to put on, and the little accent pieces a little bit easier to work with, so maybe that's more up your alley. But hey, if you want to get crazy, get the full ones. I'm definitely gonna not stop trying. I'm gonna play with them for the next week or two, then I will give you a more updated review on what I actually think about these magnetic lashes. I hope this has helped. Please let me know if you have already tried these, and if you have any little tips for me, let me know down below. Or if you are going to try them, or maybe you're like, wanted to try them and now that you've seen me do it, you're like, nope, not for me, I'm not gonna do it. I'd also love to know if that's the case too. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, I know this is gonna sound really crazy, zany in fact, like totally out of the box kind of thinking. If you liked this video, like this video, because that's super helpful for me, as well as when you subscribe, and you click that little bell next to it, that's helpful too. And it's also helpful for you because it lets you know when I upload a new class right away so you don't miss out on anything. If you could do that, that'd be just great. I think it's time for some bloopers. I dropped it. Luckily I can see it because I was like, oh my gosh, don't lose it, I need it. Found it. I can tell I like them already with adding the mascara. I dropped it again. Ah! Okay, problem solved. Just checking on the baby girl. She's sleeping over on the other side. She's so cute. Let's go see what she's doing. I don't know. How long was I trying to put them on? I have no idea. Sadie's being protective. Little barks. The dog next door was barking. What you doing? She's gonna go outside and check it out. What's going on, Sadie? What's happening? Did you get him? Did you scare him away? And if you're like, hey Ashley, what's that piece of wood that's like in the middle of your doorway? Well, that piece of wood is a reminder to me to re-plug in the fridge that's in this back house. I film in my back house and it makes a little bit of noise. So I turn it off while I'm filming and then I plug it back in after I'm done filming. But there has been an occasion or two where I forgot to plug it in because I just forgot. I film sometimes for like an hour or more and then I just leave and then it's still unplugged. Most of the time I've been able to plug in the fridge and it's been okay, like the food hasn't spoiled or anything. But there's been like once, maybe twice, I think one time that the food has gone bad, which is not good. And so now when I leave and I walk out the door, I'm like, oh, there's this piece of wood in my way. Oh yeah, go plug in the fridge because you unplugged it. So that's just my little weird reminder that I need to plug in the fridge. And that's my story. And it makes me think, do you have any weird things that you do to remind you of something? Because this is definitely a little bit weird and it works, but a little weird. Let me know in the comments below.